Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a map into Notion. This is incredibly useful when you're planning trips, organizing events, or creating location-based project documentation directly within your workspace. First, head over to your Notion workspace and select the page where you want to embed the map. This could be a travel itinerary, a project plan, or any page where having a visual map reference would be helpful. Once you've opened the page, click on the spot where you want the map to appear. This creates a new line and positions your cursor exactly where the map will be inserted. Now, type /embed on that new line. A menu will pop up showing various block options. From this menu, select the embed block. This is your gateway to bringing external content into Notion, and it works seamlessly with Google Maps. Next, open a new browser tab and navigate to Google Maps at maps.google.com. Here's where you'll locate the specific place you want to display in your Notion page. Search for your desired location using the search bar, or if you already see it on the map, simply click on it directly. Once you've found your location, look at the URL in your browser's address bar and copy it. This URL contains all the information Notion needs to display that exact map view. Head back to your Notion page where the embed block is waiting. Paste the Google Maps URL into the embed field and click Embed Link. Within seconds, the map will appear right there in your Notion page, showing the location you selected. If the map doesn't quite fit your page layout, you can easily resize it. Just click on the embedded map and drag the edges to make it larger or smaller until it looks just right. This flexibility ensures the map integrates smoothly with the rest of your content. Here's the best part: the embedded map is fully interactive. You can zoom in by holding the control button and scrolling up, or zoom out by holding control and scrolling down. You can also pan around to explore the surrounding area, just like you would in Google Maps itself. This means you don't have to leave Notion to get all the context you need about a location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.